Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create outline in Canva. So firstly, I will show you how to create outline in text. So firstly, I will add a text here. Okay, so now the text is added. From here, you can change the font of the text. I will just make it bold and resize it. Now I need a background color first. So I will add a blue color here. Now we need to change the color of the text too. So we will change it to white. Let me change it to white. Done. Now here you will find duplicate option. Click on it and again go to text color, and here you need to change the color. So I will change it to dark blue, and now as you can see the outline is created with the white and the text is in blue color. So you can adjust it according to your preference. You want more white in the right side or in the left side. In this way, you can create outline on Canva in text. Now let's move to how to create outline on image. So for this, we need to choose an image first. As you choose the image, now click on edit image, and from there you need to remove the background. So now the image background is removed. Now we need to add a background for our white page. So here I will choose this yellow color again. Now we need to edit this image. So click on edit image and then go to adjust. Now here you need to increase all the adjustments here. So increase the brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and decrease the black to 0. Decrease the vibrance and decrease the saturation. So now we have clear white photo here. So you need to adjust this in the frame. Now again choose the image that we just added and again remove the background. Now here you need to adjust this image in front of that white one, and in this way you can create outline on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.